If autonomy is the brain, the battery is the heart of every EV. Lithium-ion batteries got us here, but they're heavy, can be flammable, and still take time to charge. Enter solid-state batteries, the next big leap. By swapping liquid electrolytes for solid materials, these batteries promise major improvements. First, safety. No flammable liquids means less risk of fire. Second, energy density. Solid-state tech could mean 500–700 miles of range, or smaller, lighter, cheaper packs. Third, charging speed, 10 to 15 minutes for a major recharge could soon be reality. So why aren't they everywhere? Manufacturing at scale is tough, solid materials can be brittle, and engineering is complex. Companies like QuantumScape and Toyota are racing to solve these challenges. Expect to see solid-state batteries in luxury or performance models first, then mass-market cars as costs drop. This isn't a sudden switch, but a clear trajectory. When solid-state arrives at scale, EVs will be lighter, safer, longer range, and faster charging. It's a generational leap, like moving from lead-acid to lithium-ion. The future of batteries is solid, and it's coming soon. The EV experience will be transformed. Range anxiety, gone. Charging hassles, history. The next era of EVs starts with solid-state.